We'll go ahead and gain some height while we're crawling over there. We're gonna need it. And the rain starts. It's not going to be serious. Better not be anyway. The higher the better.
Yeah.
Right? I'm worried about high centering on that shit. I think I can also just kind of sneaky up to the left. I don't know what's on the other side of that bush.
The one hiker shows in this direction, so I would say this would be the better option.
All right, I guess so.
Okay.
Problem is, I had such a big front end, I can't. That's how I ended up in that hole that one time. We were like up, and I couldn't see what was on the other side, and I don't want to do that again.
No.
Because, yeah, I hurt Prissy a little bit that day.
But someone.
It was. Look at that beautiful mountain! Wow. I actually think the roads up on top of the hill are probably better. This is probably the worst road. We just have to go slow.
It was much fun. Right in front.
Camera up. I don't know what's in the puddle, so I'm not going to slam into it. Like, hide things. Yeah, four-wheel drive isn't about because this is my everyday car. I cannot break it, you know? Now, we could probably go up there.
By foot.
No. We can go up there by the car.
No, there is a fence.
It is a cow fence.
Is it open?
Yes, it is a cow fence.
Okay.
We can keep. No, the motorcycles are there. Yeah, we can go there. You know, and it actually might be better, or we can keep driving onto the turnaround. Which way do you think we should go?
Maybe we can make a turn.
I think we can end up. I think once we get up there, we can drive around all over up there. Because I think probably this is the worst road. If you see one that's closed and you have to open it to enter a place, you're expected to close it behind you.
Yeah, sure.
So people don't lose their cows because of you. Hey!
Like it. That is an accident. It is short.
It is. This is bottom muddy. Sporcato culo. Got his ass dirty. Maybe they'll take you for a ride. I bet you if you ask, they'll take you for a ride.
Well, I guess these are not made for two people.
Yeah, you can hang onto the back. I'll ask for you.
Thank you. What is he doing? Does he want to ask something?
Buongiorno!
Buongiorno! Vorrei portare la mia amica?
No.
Vorrei portare la mia amica sul moto? Vai, sì, go! Go! Vai! Lei sta tedesca, non parla l'italiano, solo inglese. I'm American, she's German.
I know, right?
You take her for a ride?
Yes.
Okay. Bye. Go, have fun. I'm going to close my roof because it's raining. No, ma devi tornarla? Ho bisogno di lei, ok? Devi tornarla, ok? Vi aspetto. Non troppo sfocata. Vai prudenza perché non ce l'hai casco per te. Sei avuto l'uomo, è a casa. Bye Larissa! Basta! Okay, thank you, grazie.
Perfect. Just straight. Perfect. Keep going. Not even close. Maybe we'll say something funny.
This will be a little bit of a drop.
Filming my anxiety.
Yeah.
Funny. I suppose if you wanted to from here to go over there, you could go from here.
Because that's like an easy ride. But I bet you that's slick right now. I bet
Yeah,
you like when you get up there, be like,
no. Wee hop! Out in the water. Yay!
I'm not ready to go yet.
So little mud party.
Yeah, the boys said the
Really?
I don't want to, yeah, they did. On it. If we touch it, I don't want to get like, Sicily on me. It's a little bit bumpy. And you really feel the bumps in the off-road too. When this is where we go around, right?
Yeah, to the left. Yeah.
And we drive into the sea.
No.
Wet kitty time. Now he's gonna
And he's putting his mouth on the door.
the car too. It's gotta be fun. Up and turn and not hit the fucking tree.
Good job, Prissy. Good job.
Thanks for watching.